In this video, I'll show you how to ask questions on Deepseek. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational kinds of content like this. If you want to ask questions on Deepseek, head over to your Deepseek account, right? This is where you can ask any questions. This is the message to Deepseek. So you can come on and ask it. Let me say, how to make money online, right? I want to ask it question right now. Click on the, so it's gonna search through, right? So I just asked Deepseek a question and it's going to answer me right now. So let's see what she got for us. So you can see I asked Deepseek a question and it's currently replying me: freelancing, create a start a blog, online courses and coaching. So you can see it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna wait for this. I'm gonna wait for Deepseek to to answer or to reply, or I want to see what Deepseek gonna reply me, right? I'm gonna wait and see everything. So let's wait. So you can see I asked Deepseek a question and Deepseek replied, right? How to make money online. So it gave me some suggestions. So this is basically how you can ask questions on Deepseek. If you found this video helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.